up, waist mans? Today,
Today we're doing a curly hair routine video on Malaki. We're gonna do an updated one since our last one's now almost at 1 million views. It's at 900 something thousand, which is real good. And now Malaki is grown. Now he's a grown. He's not grown. He's still a little cute, but you know, he's growing.
I'm almost taller than you.
No, you're not. Let me stand up.
Bro, yo, hey, yo.
So yeah, we're gonna give you guys an updated video just because he doesn't use the same products that we used in our last video anymore. So we figured we'd give you an updated video and we're gonna actually show the results this time. Because last time, remember, we forgot to include the results.
Oh.
And I recorded you the next day when your head was already mud after school.
Oh yeah.
So today we're gonna actually record the results for you guys because, yes. And then also Malaki hasn't gotten a haircut in like 3 months or so. So we're not gonna do any braid videos until he does get a haircut. But expect some next week because he'll be getting a haircut next week.
How you know that?
Because I'm cutting your hair next week.
Man.
Don't get out of the camera. Don't get out of the frame. Yeah.
I didn't give you permission to do that.
I'm cutting your hair next week, fam. You need it. You're looking mud.
Remember to like the video.
Of course, they know that. But we're gonna get into the video. So first things first, we're gonna wash his hair. As you guys know, I always have to start washing this guy's hair first.
Why haven't you liked the video yet?
Oh my god. So yeah, we're gonna wash his hair and we'll be back.
I'm waiting.
We'll be back with the conditioner.
Like the video.
We'll be back with the conditioner in his hair. And I'll be detangling. So see you guys in 3, 2. Okay guys, so we washed his hair with shampoo. Now we have the conditioner in it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start detangling his hair. You can use, depending on how tangly your hair is, you can use a wide tooth comb, but I'm gonna be using a Denman brush only because Malaki's hair is super tangled and a wide tooth comb ain't not gonna help us.
Dreadlock.
All right, start combing. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
So yeah guys, the most important part of a curly hair routine is to get all your tangles out. And Malaki, trust me guys, he got a lot. Okay guys, so we just combed out his hair. This is what it's looking like right now. The conditioner's still in it, but you can't see it anymore because like it's absorbed. But we're gonna rinse everything out and then we'll come back to you guys and show you the next steps.
And before we do, why haven't you liked the video yet? Like I can see the like button. It's so great. Why isn't it blue?
Also hit subscribe. So take a pause, take a moment, hit subscribe. So we fully rinsed the conditioner out of his hair. This is what it's looking like. We don't dry it or anything. Literally, just let it be dripping wet because the wetter your hair is, the better this is gonna work. So next step, we're gonna put in leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna be using the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. We got that big bottle. Okay, so I put like this much of the leave-in conditioner in his hair so far. I might put more, we'll see. Because he got some long hair. I will put more because I only put it in half.
I can feel like a water drop on my nose. I'm trying to.
So get it. You see?
I'm in my eye. I don't know what that is. I think that's sauce.
Sauce? There you go.
This stuff.
It's not. There's nothing in your eye. So once you have the leave-in conditioner in, you gotta make sure your hair stays really wet. So we're just gonna put some water on it. Stop.
Bro, why does that water smell like that?
Because that's the smell of the water.
Ew.
It's not, it doesn't smell bad. Stop.
That's not water.
Yes, it is.
It smells like Sprite.
Okay, back up. Alright, so now we're gonna comb again. We're gonna brush his hair again, and this time the brushing is just to make your curls stick together. So that's what we're about to do. So I mostly do it on the ends of his hair so that the curls can stick together, like I said.
Yeah.
Stop, Mally, I have to comb your hair. And Malaki doesn't really like his hair to be combed, so I'm gonna mostly try to use my hands. Just making sure I stick the curls together with the comb first.
Done?
All right, no. This just looked that to you. Okay, guys. So, okay, so once the leave-in conditioner is put in and we combed it through one more time. I'm gonna spray his hair again, make sure it's really wet. So basically you just wanna make sure your hair is really wet the whole time you're doing this. So in this video, we're using mostly all drugstore products. That way everybody can get them easily. So next product we're gonna use is the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And this, ooh, that was hard to open. This one is, this one's thicker and it's just gonna make your curls get more weighed down. So if your hair is shorter, you're gonna wanna use something like this to weigh down those curls, you know? So I'm using like this much right now. And I'm just gonna, woo, it's a lot. I'm gonna just go through his hair and like pull on the ends with my hands to like elongate them. And
why does it smell like that?
Cause it smells like that.
It smells like Play-Doh.
No, it doesn't. Malaki, stand up.
Ew.
Okay. So yeah, basically I'm adding the Curl Enhancing Smoothie and pulling his hair down at the same time. And this is gonna make everything a little bit longer and a little bit more curly, basically. Okay guys, and then after we applied the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, I'm gonna put more water again. So as you guys can see, water is a very important step. Okay guys, so next product we're gonna use is a curling gel, or you can use Eco Styler gel, any gel you have. Basically, I'm just gonna use the Shea Moisture one because that's what we have right now. Our Eco Styler is out, but you can use any gel you want, and yeah, pretty much. Oh God. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the gel in my hands, coat my hands, and then I'm gonna do the praying method. And don't put your head up and like clamp his hair and pull down. But yeah, as you guys can see, this praying method, it makes the hair get a little bit more elongated. Ooh, let me not use big words. Y'all don't know big words. You don't understand what big words mean. You know elongated?
Elongated is like when you get the Celsius and you take the degree.
What did he say?
What did he say?
Stop. Come here. Okay, so as you guys can see, the side with the praying hand method and the gel is a little bit longer and flatter, while the side without it is bigger and shorter. And the more it dries, the shorter it's gonna get. So you're gonna make sure you put this gel step. And like the praying hands method, I think that's what it's called. It's literally you just put the gel, put your hair in between, and slide. And slide. So yeah. And this method is good if you're anything like Malaki and don't actually like to brush your hair, because you'll get those curls without having to put the brush through it, basically. So you put the gel in your hands, put the hair in between your hands, and slide. Yeah, so that's literally the most simple method you could do, and you'll get some cute curls. You don't need to comb or anything, just slide. Okay, and if you guys have like wavier hair than Malaki, you can scrunch your curls like this with the gel in it, and it'll give you guys some more curls. But he doesn't need to do that because his hair is like 4A/B.
What does that mean?
It's just the texture of your hair, the type of hair you have, not texture, I mean hair type. So he's hair type 4A/B, so he doesn't need to scrunch.
That's weird.
He doesn't need to scrunch.
4A/B squared.
You know, Malaki, you don't know nothing about hair. You're lucky you have a sister. Okay guys, so we normally let his hair air dry, and then we show you the results. Actually, we always forget to show you the results. So today we gonna blow dry. Ooh, this blow dry is up. You gotta pick my nose, hold on. Okay. Okay, so normally, what was I saying? So yeah, normally we air dry his hair, but today we're gonna blow dry because I always forget to film the end for you. So yeah, we're gonna use a diffuser attachment and we're gonna blow dry on low until his hair is fully dry, and then we're gonna show you guys the finished results. Okay guys, so this is the finished product after we finish blow drying. Shake your hair for a second, get him a shake. Not like that, do this. Okay, do it faster. Okay, so yeah, this is the finished result. Everybody want to take a closer look, and now you guys can see what the end product looks like. So this is Malaki's curly hair routine. If you guys have any questions about it, you can leave them in the comments below. I'll answer them for you because Malaki has no idea what his curly routine is. He just allows me to do it.
Why'd you lick my hand? Why'd you lick my hand?
And woo, Malaki is going to be starting his own reaction channel. He hasn't named it yet. Well, I'll be putting it in the description once he names it. And then he'll have reaction videos up on that channel for you guys. If you guys want to see more Malaki, it'll be up soon. And what else? If this tutorial helped you guys at all, let us know in the comments below as well. We like to read your comments. Malaki reads the comments as well.
I can't read, you lying.
His Instagram and everything will be down below, so you guys can follow him up on that. He doesn't have any pictures, but he gonna be posting. I mean, you don't have pictures now. You have pictures from when you look like you were 12, like last year. Remember everybody? Remember when he looked 7 years old last year?
What do you mean last year? That was 2 years ago.
That was like a year and a half, bro.
Bro, I'm 18.
No, you're not. So he's how?
I'm joking.
He's 14.
No.
You're 15. Yeah, so he's 15 years old now. So you know he'll be driving soon. Couple months.
Pull up in a brand new whip with a new exhaust and shit.
But yeah, so just watch out for his channel. It's coming soon. I know you guys will want to see a lot of videos of him all the time, and he doesn't want to be on my channel all the time, so I can't force him. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up for Malaki. Give a thumbs up for me. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.